morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today we got another trainer sneaker shoe review for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can tell from the box, you already know what it is. It's another Jordan 1. Let's open it and see which one it is. No. Yes, as you can already tell, it's a Jordan 1 top 3 body gold edition. Let's go and put this on my head. The box don't want to close. Here we are. There we go. So as you can see, these are very nice. We call them the Jordan 3, Jordan 1 top 3. Yeah, this released a few years ago and were a Complex Con exclusive, and then they got a wider release, but they are still very limited. These are the top 3 variants. As you can see, very nice looking Jordans. I'll show you the outside there as well, so you can see the difference. So you can see they got the top 3 variants. So this shoe has different colorway from this shoe. So you got the soles. This one is black, this one is gold. You got the white, you got the black toe, and then you've got the gold toe here, and you got the white toe here. The tongue, as you can see, you've got the white tongue here, and then the black one with a little Nike in white and then a Nike in gold. And the side paneling, as you can see, is different as well. So on this pair you've got the black all the way here. Here you got the white panel, same gold on the sides. And yes, so that is the difference of both shoes. Very nice. Yeah, these Jordan 1 top 3s, gold ones, gold top 3s are very nice. They have sold out a long time ago. I believe I got them for retail, but now the resale is crazy. You're gonna have to pay quite a few Ugandan dollars if you want these ones. Yeah, these are quite high in resale value. The nice wings logo there. Overall, it's a very nice shoe. If you like these kind of Jordans with the pattern leather, as you can see, I've worn my one, so it's got the creases, you got the dirt on the bottom. But yes, very nice shoe. I will highly recommend trying to get it. Oh yeah, this side is different as well. As you can see, it's got the white, it's like almost reverse. So you see this side is on there, and then that side is on that side. All in all, very nice shoe. If you can grab these, grab these. I will highly recommend these. I will give you a quick on hand shot of how they will look like. So if you wear these, that's how they will look like. I'm sorry, I still don't have the budget for the on feet shoot, but I can do the on hand free of charge. There we are. Very nice shoe. Highly recommend these. If you can grab them, grab them. You won't be disappointed. And yes, as always, if you like the review, I'm going to try to do some more Jordan review for you guys. I'm going to start uploading my collection on YouTube, so I have some kind of, you know, I can look back on it. So yes, as always guys, if you like the video, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. As always, Bali da.